Ka MDC ka nongshken Congress Mary Kharpuri kala Ther ting ya kamat jingkynnoh bakadei ka nongwei ha kalintiya jangka banya khonya ka election jiet nong mi khmat sha ka yeng dorbar thau an ka jilla Nashela constituency ya kane kala kren hadian ka jinglet penia so jangka sha ka saiñpyrthei National People's Party NPP ha ka arphlai tarik urimphang arhajar arpuar kum ka jingpin khre jangka banya aireng ha ka election MLA house nam arhajar arpulai kala kyntu ru ba kum ki riu saiñpyrthei kim dei banya kynthoh palat namar boro ki wan banya treilang na ka benta ki pat ba da ka ba pin pau ba ki wei ki la ban kynno ba ka let na ka wei ka saiñpyrthei sha ka wei pan kala ong ma ka jing wan rung benta ka sngi ka dei ka jing ya mer jing mut lang wala ka lenti ya kam dei ka basuk ya kani ka nong mi khmat la ya sinran lang de ki nong kit kam nong kershan jangka kumju ki be wan na ki wei ki saiñpyrthei ha ka jing yalam uba mosjo R1 sweat but ki wei pan
I've been observing for quite a long time about how this National People's Party has been dealing with the people in the state. Yes, I've been in politics. I was elected from 2009. Politics is not new to me anymore. But my journey in these years from 2009 is that I've experienced different political parties, which I'm very sure that there'll be a lot of critics today saying that Congress, like, she's been joining from one party to another party. But you know, the reason is like, okay, let there be critics, but you don't know the reality. So like I said, I joined this party because I've been observing that this party has leaders that has the quality and principle, which is very, very important. You know, any party is like a family. If you have a healthy atmosphere, you can work in such a way that maybe physically, mentally is the most important, like for us human beings, like, you know, it should be like sound in every ways. So I have seen the quality leadership of Honorable Chief Minister. It's not that I'm flattering him today. He is the most humble Chief Minister that I've ever come across. He's a very down-to-earth person that I've ever come across. You need him anytime. He doesn't like, you know, say that maybe like he can't talk to me because I'm just an MDC or whatever. But he's always there for us. And in fact, I have to even flatter a bit, you know, about our Deputy Chief Minister. He's also a very humble person. He's a very humble person. Yes, I'm an MDC from his constituency, no matter what. But you know, okay, in the past, we used to be rivals. But after elections, he's the most humble person that I've ever come across, a big-hearted person. This makes me think over and over again about these political leaders. We need these type of political leaders who are very humble to give everyone like love, understanding, and most of all, to welcome everyone. Para pindon ka jing shane ya kapati pindum ya poi ha ka step but ngaro nganum la bangan don hang ne bangan yang ha khmat jongpi bangan join cha kapati NPP namar ka bor hi ka dei ka jongpi pa ba ngai khublei ka pang paderu ya kini ki leaders jong ka party bakila pediang shisai nga ka mensian ka bakalod klem ka jing don ka jongki klem pediang maki yang aro nganum la bangan yang ha ka ne ka rinsan ha ka ne ka step tangai khublei ka pang e phi barok hal but ka jingwan ka jongpi ka pani shai bahawar hajarar pulai ngin treshitam borba banganget bahawar hajarar pulai ngin yo ikajingjar kadbadan buram na po Shela constituency but ngako abanong ipi hang ni ba ho kalintiya kamde ka basuk reken maupat ublei undon rengkat hibat pi Bad kum mga lalong kanong mi khmat na duwar hajar khandai. Bad mga don be kaminsim ka ban shakri be yaw pai ba. Ngangit kanum don kanu ka jingye ka jingdon lang ka jongpi kanaila yenga bangan syakri yo pai ba hawar hajar arphulai napo kashala constituency hoy kuba pitep nya klem job ya ka election hakis nem ki balale ngamde issue kata ka brio ka badang thamai po shala constituency ngarem ya ka by election compare ya kata kumbangong ngadon ka mensem syakri ngayad syakmat ngawan biang nabanta jong phi ki pai ba kadni phidon te se phindali phai shnong wa phinya tre shitom hala ki jong ki shnong ki jong ki shnong la ki jong ki pai ba ka ba phinya wer lang hangni phibun ki de ki nong kit kam ki bana ki la ki ba pher ki shnong bad ngange ba phindala le shnong phindra e ka khubor ka ba bha tingangai bakani ke election hak wara jara kulai ngakar padre chisakum ko economic khmat bakam dei than bagandon ke jinge kan tho namar manga si sim mangatip bakani ka kam dei sisa ka kam kai kam dei ka kam ka bashu sim banong le se tang na benta ka bha kam ya jongno re jongno tang na benta ka jingmen toy henringi wan na benta jong phi upai ba ban ngas ngom komen banganga yo ban don hakani ka party ban ngan nang la ban kham trei kham bha shu na benta ka bha ka miat ka jong phi upai ba menta ka sngi ngampoi berkhat bangang ngandon ngandei kata ka MDC napo dongsken ka ban hapo isa president song kumu MLA jonga menta ngalala ban ya trei lang ringkat ban isa nado menta ka sngi na benta ka bha ka miat ka jong ki pai ba